everyone, welcome to another Creative Crafts Niche video. Today I'm sharing with you how to use the Sew Easy kit, and the reason why I'm doing it in this angle is because I have to do a whole bunch of moving around just to get my normal angle. So I'm just using my iPad for right now to get this done. So the stitch that I'm using is this regular stitch, and there's two ways of stitching it, but I'm going to show you one way. So I went ahead and pre-stitched one side, and then this will give you that type of finish. The other finish that you can get is that you can actually, when you come out from here, let's start right here. When you come out from here and you're working your way this way, instead of going in this hole, go back into that one, and then you end up coming out from this hole. So it's like a constantly, it's called a backward stitch. So anyways, I'm doing this stitch instead. So you're gonna align your paper on the board here, and then you're gonna take your stitch, and you're gonna make sure that you start off of the paper first, and then you work your way onto the paper. So you want to have it like this, not like this or like this. Try to have it like that. And so for this project, what I did was that I aligned this to the very edge right there, matching up that edge to kind of give me a nice distance as to where I want it. You would have to play around with it in a different way to help you get, achieve the desired stitch separation that you want from the edge to the center. So here I am starting off from off the paper, and I'm gonna slowly work my way through, and you want to go slowly so that you can have that straight line across. And so you're gonna end up with the holes like this. What I like doing is I like going over those holes with the needle that it brings, so that when I'm gonna go stitch, it'll be easier for me to sew through. So I'm gonna use this to help me kind of push this down. I mean, you can sew it without doing this, but I like to do this because when I sew, it'll be a faster sewing for me. I mean, you also want to see how much pressure that you're putting down on the paper. Okay. So now when you thread your needle, you're gonna thread it where you're gonna have a little end, and then a very long end. And then you're gonna work your way from the back first. Right? And I don't tie mine off because I don't want it to be bulky. So what I just use is some Scotch tape here, and then I'll go into the next hole right here. And so what that does for me there is that it stitches across the edge as well. And so you have an edge with a stitch on it. So then you go ahead and you go in through here. Then you come out, go in through there. So it's basically hills and valleys that you're going to be doing. I mean, I'm having a somewhat of a challenge right now because I'm trying to record it so that you can see it. So the angle that I'm in, you know, it's a little bit uncomfortable, but it is doable. And this is a simple stitch. And I like this one because you'll finish faster with this stitch. Now let's say, you know, you want to use the other ones and you have time, and you can go ahead and actually stitch them while you're watching your shows, or you're waiting for your laundry to finish, or you're at your lunch break. You want to make sure that you keep an eye on that small straggler there, that it always stays, because it'll end up coming off the needle, and then you're going to have to thread it through the needle again. And this package comes with yarn, and these are thick pieces of yarn, but you can use like your other kinds of how do you call it, thread. And then see how this one ended up being there like that. I mean, I got a better finish over here on both ends. This one ended up like that with one end not having anything, but I mean, that's okay. I mean, you can go ahead and kind of like do another little hole there and then kind of go again. Let's see, let me try something. Okay. So okay, so then you end up with a nice edge there. Then you can go ahead and trim off your end. You get a piece of Scotch tape, tape that down, and there you have your stitched ends. I tried to do some embossing on this. This is my first time actually trying it out, so it's a trial and error phase that I'm in right now, but I'll get the hang of it soon and it'll be a better thing for me to do. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you would like to see me do any of the other stitches, please don't hesitate to ask. These are the other stitches that are available. That I have. So I've shared with you today this one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.